Good, beautiful morning, everyone. It is 4:24 in the morning. I'm headed over to the main shop to get all the trucks warming up. Me, Sam, and Luke are going to head down to Pulaski, Illinois to pick up equipment. We're going to bring you guys along. Hope you enjoy. We've got the gorgeous 2017 Ram 3500 with the diesel Cummins in it, of course. We've also got the, I believe, 2000, maybe 99 F550 with the 7.3 diesel in it. A good old truck, low miles. She's just kind of getting old and tired. We got to hook up a flatbed trailer yet this morning. Got my rig running and warming up. Gonna go ahead and start Sam's old rig, get it warming up. And brother Luke is walking in right now. He just pulled in. Sam didn't have this plugged in, so it might be a little interesting. Common misconception with the old 7.3s is when the light went out, the glow plugs were done. But you can actually hear them turn off for a full cycle. It's quite a bit longer. Hey, there she goes. This old 7.3, it's been with us quite a while. It only has 147,000 miles on it, but the mileage was pretty rough on the old girl. The previous owner, before we got it, they tried to destroy it as best as they could. As soon as we got it with, I think, 60,000 miles on it, it needed a new transmission. That's how bad they were on it. And it's an old stick shift, not that you guys can see. Make sure you hit that like button for an original old 7.3 out here still chugging. There's not too many of these old girls still out here doing actual work. We use ours and we use them hard. Luke and Sam are hooking up their truck. My father was using the 550 over the weekend, so we couldn't hook up our trailer until the morning of, unfortunately. I'm gonna go get Luke's rig running. We're here in our latest acquisition. Old truck. This is a original 5-speed V10 gasser with the stick shift. This V10 gasser F350 with the stick shift 5-speed has a 12-foot flatbed on it, and it is quickly becoming one of my favorite trucks. It's real quiet, easy clutch pedal, plain and simple works. And then you put it with a 20-foot flatbed on the back, you've got a lot of deck space. Low profile, easy to work with. We added these forward-facing mud flaps you see on semis just to give the girl extra life. I think we bought this one with 100,000 miles on it. It has been flawless performance so far. Between all three trucks, hooked up, ready to go. Sam's finishing up his. My Ram 3500. I think we've got us a Convoy, as old C.W. McCall would say. Let's go ahead and hit the road. Convoy headed out. about an hour away from our breakfast spot, and the truck is doing about 11.9 miles per gallon. Just chugging along, passing a few semis here, and just getting after it. We've made it to our first destination, old Bob Evans. All the trucks are running good. Lights are all holding up. It's always good. Let's get us some breakfast. Finished up breakfast at Bob Evans. Got to fuel up and burn another 40 miles south. Extremely frustrating when they cut you off. $125, and I am not full yet. We are back on the road at a red light, of course. The old stick shift is doing great. We are at 12.6 miles per hour, or miles per gallon, excuse me. We are back on the road, chug-a-lugging. We're about 40 miles away from our destination. I'm in some decently heavy traffic, so I'm gonna get off the old phone and just put my nose to the grindstone. All three trucks are on site. For obvious reasons, I won't be recording any further until we get back on the road. This is a professional job site, of course. Quick update while the gentleman is grabbing the next piece. We have 3 large bucket elevators to pick up, and we brought 3 trucks intentionally. The trucks are not really full or overloaded by any means. We're just putting one leg on each truck so we can keep them all separate. Makes it easier for us sorting them out back at the main shop. Samuel's truck is all tied down, good to go. Like I said, we loaded the trucks light because we want to keep the legs separated. Luke's truck is all good to go, tied down 6 ways to Sunday. Not really too much to this load. My load is good to go, tied down. Got the old red Dodge gassed up. We're ready to head back north. We're about 200 miles from home in Pulaski, Illinois. We are back at the exact same pilot and almost the exact same pump. I was on the other side. Decided to top the truck back off. My brother Luke, his words were to Samuel is that he had reached critical mass and needed to unload, if you catch my drift. So he's out there taking care of business. I'm gonna top off the tank and then we'll get back to trucking. We made it back to the main shop. All the trucks ran flawlessly. I'd like to thank everybody that came along on the adventure. Please like, share, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.